on a bed of couscous, then the halloumi cheese, kind of strong, chewy, almost meaty-like texture. The final touch is a little hit of heat and a dash of colour. Some finely sliced red chilies. Just going to drizzle on a little bit more of this dressing. Finish it off a little bit. Fresh herbs. Doesn't that look lush? My griddled veg and halloumi salad. As part of a buffet, this will serve 6, but for bigger crowds, double it, triple it, quadruple it if you need to.
Oh, we've got some guests arriving. Thank you very much, Dorinda. That's lovely.
My halloumi recipe is getting its debut today at a barbecue hosted by event planner Sandra. She's celebrating an impressive academic achievement.
Today's a special day. We're having a graduation party. I've tried to incorporate as many of Tom's recipes as I can in the barbecue. The best one is the lovely halloumi with the herb oil. And then we've got the potato salad over here. I've done a whole chicken in the piri-piri recipe, so that's that.
At the start of the 12-week experiment, Sandra had her sights set on this moment.
I'm hoping to look very good in my graduation pictures.
And 10 weeks after I first met her and 15 pounds lighter, it's mission accomplished.
Has anybody tried the turkey? Please help yourself with food.
Sandra's fully committed to her new way of eating, but it seems some of her guests didn't get the memo.
Tastes absolutely fantastic.